Ostriches, giant bird. Focus question. What advantages and disadvantages does the ostrich have because of its size? Words to know. Hatch, special, herds, warns, noise, wild, connections, writing and art. Make a book with 3 facts or more that you learned about ostriches. Illustrated your book to drawings or pictures. Science. Compare ostrich eggs to chicken eggs. Look at the size, shape, and color of each. How are they the same? How are they different? Write a list. A very big bird. The ostrich is the biggest bird in the world. Most ostriches are taller than the tallest people. Ostrich have wings and feathers, but they can't fly. An ostrich can run fast and far. The fastest animal with 2 legs. It runs faster than most 4-legged animals. Eyes on a prize. Ostriches have small heads with big eyes. Their eyes are bigger than those of any other land animals. Home, sweet home. Most wild ostriches live in Africa. They live in small herds of 10 or more birds. Ostriches use teamwork to stay safe. Their sharp eyes and long necks help them spot danger from far away. What's on the menu? Ostriches eat grass, other plants, and fruit. They also eat bugs and other small animals. Ostriches don't drink more water. They get water from the plants and fruit they eat. What makes an ostrich a bird? All birds have a backbone, have feathers, have wings, have a bill. The eggs are warm-blooded. Look out! Run! Lions and cheetahs hunt ostriches for food. Ostriches must be on the lookout. Their long necks help them look far. They have strong legs and big feet. An ostrich can kick very hard. Its kick can kill a lion. Ostriches make a loud noise when they see a lion. The noise warns other animals that lions are near. From big egg to big bird, a male ostrich digs a shallow pit in the dirt to a nest. The mother lays her eggs in the pit. In 6 weeks, baby ostriches hatch from the eggs. A baby ostrich is the size of a grown chicken. An ostrich chick grows about 1 foot 30 centimeters per month. In 6 months, the baby ostrich will be grown. It can live for 50 years or more. Conclusion. Ostriches are special birds. They are strong and fast. Ostriches are bigger than any other birds.